Hey guys, Rob with Time Machines here. Just a quick one. Well, this morning I came out to check on the 66 Malibu because I want to strip the paint and restore it. And I had it in brake fluid and it was making parts rubbery. I put it in purple power for probably 3 weeks and it never touched the paint. So I had to step up to oven cleaner. And I typically do not use oven cleaner. I use purple power most often. If that doesn't work, I go to brake fluid and I usually have success with that. But yesterday I decided to step up to oven cleaner because I want to get the paint off this because I'm going to restore this. This is a 66 Malibu flip nose. And I come out this morning to check on this thing and it cleaned up more than the paint. It ate the bottom out of the aluminum baking sheet. That's crazy. I would have never expected that. I haven't used oven cleaner in about 15 years. And man, I don't think I've ever had this happen. I'm out here out in my garage, aka knife shop. I'm a custom knife maker. I work from home. And this is where I paint most of my cars. And I'd show you around, but the place is an absolute mess right now. Maybe another time. But anyway, if you guys are going to use oven cleaner, man, just be careful where you're doing it. I'm glad I put it on the floor. If I put this on one of my workbenches, I'd be highly upset today. So just be careful where you're using this stuff. And of course, ventilation, respirator, and all kinds of stuff. Thanks for watching.